say you're worried, 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 worried. And don't say you're sorry, 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 sorry. I know that it's not my fault. I'm the one who knows it all. If I seem dead inside, if I seem dead inside, if I seem dead inside, I seem dead inside, I seem dead inside, I seem dead Why do you come when you know you must leave? Why must I feel every breath you breathe? It's such a sad affair. My hollow heart's not there. Don't say you're worried, 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 worried. And don't say you're sorry, 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 sorry. I know that it's not my fault. The one who knows it all. If I seem dead inside, 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 if If I seem dead inside, if I seem dead trying to meet a family. I think that you're scaring me. I'm not really feeling like me. Could you tell me what you see? Do you think I'm crazy? No, don't say maybe. I'm an alien, baby. 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 Alien, baby. try so hard, but we know we'll never make it. And I just don't know what to say to you to make you see that I'm right. You say you need something to believe in, but I believe in nothing. I believe in nothing. I believe in memories flash to those who defend. Light that won't last, sun that descends into night at last. Day dies away, dwindling light, what to betray, to be kept alive. All ends today, all is night. Tonight, remember the last embrace. Can you see the secrets in the corners of my mouth, of everything I've loved and lost? Could you close my eyes with a close cigarette and laugh out of your tears, my lips? Goodbye. I live my life under a street light because I do not belong. And if my voice is a little hoarse tonight, I sang along and it was beautiful. And I think, and I think, and I think, and I think, and I think. And I think, and I think, and I think, and I think that maybe sadness is rebellion. Maybe sadness is rebellion. Sadness child and a man and a robot and a woman in a factory. Sadness is rebellion. 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 The world was ending, we were starting some big eruption, some big event. Don't even know how long it's been, and we're still stuck like Ice Age lovers. Ice Age lovers. Ice Age lovers. Ice Age lovers. Is it love or am I insane? Are we close or do we need space? Is it magic or just your face? I don't know. The more I learn, the less I know. Can you stay for the afterglow? Do you mind if we take it slow? I don't know. All I know is you. And you, and you, and you. Ice Age lovers. Rain braids the black stone and gold. Neon chapel hums our code. Steps leave no echo, velvet ode. City sleeps, we keep the load. Claret, hush, unquiet lips, porcelain points only hinted. Incense curls from passing cars. Night deduces every secret. You read the streets like vellum, silver sandage, altar glow, threaded pulse beneath the pavement, paper thin between the doors. I taste dark nectar in the syllables. We trade names the old way, close out like across the cadence. Every shadow turns to pro. Hold my wrist in quiet cadence, count on heartbeats by the rain. Porcelain points do not threaten, only promise winter kiss. Through the clamor we move, weightless lands and amber frames. I wish cities choir soft and distant, all my edges lean to this. Give me that winter kiss back under the brasslet overpass. Ceiling claret, hush, no hunger, only measured grace. Two shadows learning how to dance. Dark nectar cooled by rain. Vow etched deep in moving glass. Keep me where the night is past. Phones blur into constellations. Subway window, velvet hem. Alleys fold like secret promise hidden language, then we breathe it in. Every stay becomes a shelter, every now a violin. Grip the moment, pulse align, let the incense write our names. Porcelain points remain a whisper when a kiss delays the flames. Claret hush across the measure side streets, keep our covenant. Silk refrain beneath the thunder, all my edges lean to this. Give me that winter kiss back under the brasslet overpass. Seal it in claret hush, steady grace instead of haste. Two shadows fluent in a dance, dark nectar cooled by rain. Our signatures in tempered glass keep me where the night stays fast. When the black recedes to silver, we will leave without a trace. Lingered gold on coats and lashes, winter kiss still warms the place. Nocturne folded in our pockets, porcelain points at rest. Claret hush becomes a daylight vow, asleep against my chest. Red glass skims the rainfall, gold sunage hums of our porcelain points. Only hinted streets exhale cathedral sound. Claret hush between our words, velvet oath beneath the crowd. You lean like midnight grammar, reading halos off the rails. Taxi halos lace the puddles, every corner keeps our tail. I savor the vintage of silence, dark nectar cooled by rain. Your gaze writes careful runes, my pulse answers back in chain. Hold the breath, let thunder fade, incense curls around our choice. Porcelain points remain a secret, winter kiss refines the voice. City metronome keeps steady, all my edges lean to poise. Say it in a claret hush, crimson lens poise on my name, no haste, only tempered grace. Under lamps of hammered brass, we don't hunt, we save the time. Night unfolds a velvet glass, promise drawn in moving pains. Keep me where the shadows dance. Elevator hum, a chapel marble lobbies drink. The rain, gloves of dusk on every handle. Footsteps fold like satin chain. Your smile, an amber semaphore. I drift toward the signal's frame. Dark nectar thins to whisper. We translate the quiet flame. Grip my wrist with patient heart. Let the echo underline. Porcelain points stay veiled. Winter kiss delays the sign. Through the storm our cadence holds. All my edges lean to shine. finds at peaceful rest. Winter kiss survives the light. Platform hum holds its breath. Brass clock blooms in rain. We count the rails in silence. Claret hush threads our names. Porcelain points implied only. Lantern smoke writes thin runes. Night leans like velvet signage. Train doors exhale cool tune. You arrive a stillness tune. Black coat cuts a gilded arc. Ticket edges taste of thunder. Our footsteps agree in dark. I savor the vintage quiet. Every vowel a silver trace. City engines bow beneath us. Time slides past our face. Hold my pulse against your glove. Incense curls around this vow. Winter kiss delayed yet certain. Shadows teach us how. All the clamor softens gently. We move with measured grace. Guild transit vow tonight. Under lamps of hammered brass. No pursuit, only savoring. Dark nectar ticking fast. Names reflected in the windows. Promise traveling with us. Keep me poised and moving. Whether rain replaces rush. Breaks ripple like quick handwriting. Neon maps are quiet flight. Your glance redraws the timetable. Turns deep drawers into mule. Porcelain points stay hidden. Velvet mark beneath the lace. Every signal bends toward us. Every minute finds its place. Count the spaces between stations. Let the chorus bloom inside. Plate reverb gilds the edges. Delays braid and glide. All my edges lean to stillness. Then to bright and wide. Halftime hush, the city kneels. Bass bows low, then lifts. Art like rain on metal ribs. The platform slowly shifts. We sign our oath in vapor and seal it with a drift. Guild transit vow tonight. Under lamps of hammered brass. We don't hunt, we savor hours. Dark nectar ticking fast. Names reflected in the windows. Promise traveling with us. Keep me poised and moving. Whether rain replaces rush. When dawn irons out the rails, we step off light and clean. Claret hush sleeps in pockets. Winter kiss remains unseen. City files our secret gently, and the night retains its sheen. vestibule keeps breathing. Silver dawn along the hem. Keys beat quietly in pockets. Signals fold and open again. I read the air like vellum. Every vowel steady low. Time leans on quiet hinges. We let the city slow. Hold the door with patient grace. Let the early chill confer my name inside your whisper, your pulse inside the blur. We keep the vowels warm and close. We teach the morning to purr. Keep the